Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be studying chapter 6 of Organization of Commerce and Management, that is Social Responsibilities of Business. The learning points are Introduction to Social Responsibilities, Concept of Social Responsibility and Need for Social Responsibility. Social responsibility in simple words means taking care of your duties, answer your action and decisions. Business is an economic activity carried on a regular basis to earn profit. Business and society are interrelated and interdependent. For a business to bloom, it requires full support of the society and should also realize its responsibilities towards it. Social responsibility of business implies the obligation of the management of a business enterprise to protect the interest of the society. The business is not working only for profit but also for social welfare. It is important for required input and disposal of output from the society. Now let us see the concept of social responsibility. Business operates within a society. It uses resources of the society and depends on various factors of society for production like land, labor, capital, etc. The activities of business should be such that they will not harm any part of society, rather they will protect and contribute to the interest of the society. The definition given by Howard D. Bowen. It says, social responsibility is to pursue those policies, to make those decisions, or to follow those lines of action which are desirable in terms of the objectives and values of our society. It means that the business needs to plan and execute those policies which are in favor of the welfare of the society. Social responsibility is broader than legal responsibility. Social responsibility needs to be voluntarily acceptable by the businessman. Now let us see the need for social responsibility. The first one is concept of trusteeship. Business activities are operated within the society. They are a part of society. It is believed that an activity which is not good for public is also not good for business. This is called trusteeship, and the businessmen are trustees of the society. All activities should be held in trust, legal and moral boundaries of the society. The next need for social responsibility is changing expectations of the society. Society has various expectations from the business. It depends upon the business for its various needs which emerge due to fast changing and rapidly growing world. Businessmen should act as responsible citizens and provide good, harmless and economic goods to the society and help in social welfare. The next need for social responsibility is reputation. Favorable response to social needs helps business to create good goodwill in the market. It helps in brand building and strengthening of image of business. A good reputation helps to increase sales, profits and growth. The organizations who cares for their employees, customers and society always gets good respect and support from the public. The next need for social responsibility is protection of environment. Business uses natural wealth and human resources to produce goods and services. While using these resources, care should be taken that it does not affect the interest of society and environment. Ecological imbalance and environmental degradation should be avoided. The activities should be eco-friendly and also help in survival of human species. The next need for social responsibility is optimum utilization of resources. Business has surplus resources in terms of finance, manpower, talent, and functional expertise. These all should be used for the society's benefit, and wastage of such resources should be avoided. Maximum use of resources should be made in society's interest by providing better life and welfare to all social groups. The next need for social responsibility is pressure of trade unions. Workers today have become conscious of their rights and privileges. Trade unions play a very important role in business environment. No business can function without its employees. Good business should always meet the expectations of its workers. It should avoid conflicts which may have an adverse effect on production. The next need for social responsibility is growth of consumer movement. Consumer movement is a movement against business malpractices. Today, all the consumers are organized and do not accept any injustice by business. Thus, it becomes important for the business to follow consumer-oriented policies. Consumer satisfaction should be set as a priority. They should be provided with good quality products at reasonable rates. Next is government control. Various laws enacted by the government limits freedom of business. These laws put moral as well as legal pressure on business. Government's main aim is to create favorable atmosphere for economic and industrial growth. For these, strict government control is necessary by which business units carry all activities within legal, moral and social limits. The next point is long-term self-interest. Ignoring social responsibilities may result in adverse effect of working of business and its profits. For smooth functioning of business, cooperation from all social groups is expected. Ignoring social responsibilities may bring the existence of business in danger. So, for self-interest, social responsibilities should be fulfilled. The next need for social responsibility is complexities of social problem. Nowadays, problems of society are more complex and increasing. Government is facing many social and political problems and has limited finance to deal with it. A progressive and socially aware business can help government to share these burdens. It is the duty of business to solve social problems like pollution, child labor, education, etc. Next point is globalization. Today's world is changing rapidly. Globalization provides more opportunities and challenges to business. Whole world is a marketplace. It contributes to economical growth, increased specialization and circulation of various ideas. Industrial trade barriers are reduced and global distribution of goods and services is possible. The last point, that is the last need for social responsibility, is role of media. Media plays a very important role in today's world. It is more active and vibrant. It has power to speak against wrong policies of business. It helps to reach and influence the masses. Media can raise voice against malpractices of business. So, business should not ignore the social values. So, with these students, we come to an end with today's session. Thank you.